Next, you can go to the next line and start with the if-else ladder, right? Can you just go to the next line? Okay, so how do you start if? So the difference with Python is in your if in Java, you will have to use brackets. In Python, there were no brackets. You had to use what? You had to use the colon at the end and then tab, right? Then spaces, indentation inside to get inside the if statement. In Java, you will use brackets. Which brackets? The first brackets. So give a space and then give the first bracket. Give the first and the closing bracket. Yeah, automatically takes, right? Okay, inside this one, we will write the condition. So very important, remember the syntax, how you are writing the if statement in Python. Yeah, if marks is not equals, you can give greater than or equals to. If it is greater than or equals to something, let's say 90, then you will print what? Then you will print grade A. So greater than equals to, even equals to, greater than or equals to. It means what? If marks is equal to this number or more than this number. Give one equal symbol after that greater than sign.
Wait a second, I just change it and give one symbol after that greater than sign.
Okay, good. Yeah, this is correct. So you are starting with 9, right? This will be what? This will be grade A. So you have given the condition, right? Now in Java, there you have a new thing, new kind of syntax. You know the brackets. That is the second brackets. The curly brackets you have to give those after every if statement. So yeah, do one thing. Give both of the brackets first, and then go inside the bracket and press enter. All right. So you will have the same space-like thing as you had in Python, right? It means you are inside the if statement. The only difference here is a lot of brackets. So that is why Python was invented. You may wonder that if we had so many languages like Java or C, C++, why was Python developed? So Python was developed only for this issue. Those semicolons, brackets, these kind of things are not there in Python. You have them, but better, right? What will you print here, Rishabh? If your marks are more than 90, then you will print what? You will print grade A, right?